In this video, we will cover assembly of the airbrush kit.
Okay, there's very little work to be done to assemble the unit. The first thing we do is take the air hose. Both ends of the air hose are identical, so you can't get them mixed up. One goes onto the compressor and one goes onto the air gun itself, or the paint gun. So it doesn't matter which way you go. No tools are required to fit this air hose. So all it is a matter of coming in and just screwing in the ferrule at on the air hose itself onto the thread on the outlet of the compressor, like so. It doesn't have to be over tight, no tools, just firm, and that's all it is required. The reason for that is there is a center section in the air fitting, which you can see in the middle there, and there's a small O-ring which is fitted halfway down that center section. So that actually does the sealing. Tightening up the outer ferrule does not make it airtight. It's only a matter of slipping it on like so and tightening it. At the moment it's quite loose, but that will then pull in. It's now pulling in, and the O-ring is doing the sealing until it's firm, like so. Okay, now you have a selection of paint containers. Mainly I would suggest the glass one. It's fully sealed, and both of the containers just fit underneath in this little venturi down the bottom. And how these fit is the spigot on each of these paint holders is tapered, so it fits up into the little hole like so, and then you just push it firmly and give it a slight turn, and that will stay into place. Okay, so that's the glass one. Oh, sorry, to remove it, it's only a matter of holding the top, and just a slight turn and draw it away from the paint gun. The little 5cc paint container, again, up into the hole, a little bit of a push and a bit of a turn. Just be careful on this small little 5cc metal paint container. You have to be very careful on what you're applying it to, the angle in which you're spraying, because if you tip it over too far, you'll empty your paint out. Okay, so just keep an eye on what you're doing. Up the top, you might want to turn it round to the side if you're spraying upwards, but you just need to be aware that you can turn it round. Always keep a little bit of pressure on, pushing it into the nozzle, but just be aware that of the angle which you're going to be operating.